Hello everyone, I am Arjun and I am from the Gulf Travel Show team. And today I will be taking you through the front end of the platform so that you are more confident about doing your meetings with potential buyers on the days of the event. That is the 23rd and 24th of November from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. UAE time. So without any further ado, I will share my screen so that I can walk you through the front end platform. So here, as you can see, this is the front end platform. I have already logged in here, but I will show you how you can log in as an exhibitor with your exhibitor passes. Let's quickly talk about the exhibitor pass. Your exhibitor pass to log in the front end of the platform is your first name followed by @gulftravelshow.com. So for example, this will be the first name @gulftravelshow.com. These representative passes have already been made by your SPOCs. If you have any difficulty in logging in, you can get in touch with your SPOCs and they will let you know what the issue is. With the exhibitor pass, you can simply submit on the URL of the front end. Right now, the URL of the front end has been made just for testing the front end platform. And on the day of the event, the URL will be gulftravelshow.com. So once you submit, you're able to view the front end of the platform in its full glory. And you can witness the small walk-in functionality that is there, or you can simply skip it and reach to the main lobby of the platform. You can search your own booth by the search tab on the bottom uh, of the platform. And as per the pavilion, you can go to your own booth. For the sake of this demo, we have taken one of the booths to show how exhibitors can log in on the front end of the platform. You can see your booth and all the documents and videos have been uploaded already. So on the left hand side starting, you have the product video. This product video has been, and product video as well as other documents have been already uploaded in the backend. So as you can see, you can check the video being played, as well as the next tab is the documents tab. You can see the various documents already uploaded in your booth. The buyers can simply come in and see the documents. They can view them as well as they can download these documents for their reference. Next is on the day of the event, there will be walk-in buyers as well over and above the pre-scheduled meetings, and they can book appointments with you subject to your available time through the book an appointment tab. On the right-hand side, there is sales information. So you can see the sales information here for your reference. And in terms of the buyers, they can simply click download, and all this information, which is basically your visiting card, can be downloaded by the buyers. On the right hand side, the next column is social media. Social media is all your social media handles which are already embedded, and one click here will lead the buyers to your social media handle. Now coming down to the right hand side, the last tab, which is the attendee tab. So there will be pre-scheduled meetings which your SPOCs will be telling you as per the accepted schedule in your backend. But then again, there will be walk-in meetings as well. So in terms of initiating the walk-in meetings, you can simply click the attendees tab, and this attendees tab shows you all the live attendees at any given point in your booth. So right now I can see that there is one buyer which is already present in my booth, and I can initiate conversation with him by clicking the green tab on the right hand side of this buyer. When I click the green tab, there is a chat box that opens up, and I can send a text message. And like similar social media handles, I can see that the blue tick indicates that the person has read the message and is also starting to write. So as I can see, Mr. Sanjay, that I have initiated the dialogue with, has responded to my message. And similarly, I can also start audio and video call with these symbols on the top of the chat box. I will just show you how to initiate the call in just a moment. Before that, I want to show you that this small arrow, I can attach files from my system, as well as I can send stickers to whoever I'm having the dialogue with. With that, there is a small arrow on the right hand side of the person's name as well, wherein I can save all my conversation on my laptop, my device, and this dialogue can be saved for future references. So now with that, I would give a video call to Sanjay and see if the audio video is working fine. So I have already given access to the platform of my audio and video on the first time that I did the demo. So the platform would ask you and you can just accept it. Hi Sanjay, how are you doing? So can you hear me properly? Great. Thank you, Sanjay, for helping us in the demo. I would now be cutting the call. Thank you so much. So as you can see, the audio and video chat functionality is very user friendly. And that was about the attendees. I can also refresh the attendees every now and then because the number of people coming at your booth is dynamic and will change from time to time during the days of the Gulf Travel Show. Also, as I have opened a chat box here, I would like to tell you that there can be multiple chat boxes simultaneously, and I can interact with more than one buyer very easily. And of course, I can do video and audio chat with whoever I like to take the conversation further. So with that in mind, we have come to an end to this short front end demo, and I wish you all the best